Hi, this is Charlotte Cruz, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello, good morning. Sorry, bagong gising lang. Okay, bagong gising lang. Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome to my vlog. And it is a really cold, wonderful Wednesday morning here in Australia. It's still winter, so it's cold. But yeah, I can still manage it. We can still manage it. Dahil wala namang snow. So probably if there's a snow, it's really, really, really cold. Okay, today I will show you something that I really love to do aside from cooking and baking and some other stuff. I really love to do this thing, and that's gardening. So yeah, marami akong baby plants, marami akong kinds of plants, and I have some cactus and succulents as well. But the good thing is, I am the one like propagating all of this. So sometimes I get a mother plant, and I just cut them and get them rooted up, and then I transfer them in pots like that. So yun, parang pinapadami ko sila by myself, and I love doing that. So today I'm gonna show you some of them. Okay? Okay, so these are just some of my plants that I was able to propagate. So I have these peace lilies, I have these crotons, and a lot of peace lilies potted in ceramic pots. This one, they call this Calate already. This is a peace lily. This Patifado, peace lily Madonna. That's the one. I also have this Monstera. This Monstera is really nice. It's still baby, but if it grows up, it shows up like a split leaves like that. So yeah, magiging ganyan siya. Okay, like that. And this one, my peace lily here, has already have a flower. There you go. So cute flower. And that one I just propagated yesterday. This one and these four. So yeah. So dumadami na yung aking mga peace lily. There you go. So they are very nice indoor plants. They also can survive in the shade or patio, but they're very nice here. Don't just overwater, and put it in a place inside the house where there is sufficient light, not direct sunlight. So there you go. Ayan, maganda sila. And I really love them. There you go. Yep, and so here in my alfresco, ito ko laging ginagawa yung aking propagate. So I bring them in here in a shaded part of the house. So it's outside the house, but it's shaded. So I got here my greenhouse. Yung aking greenhouse. So this is where I put my baby plants. As you can see, I got these geraniums here, stem cuttings. From stem cuttings, I got a mother plant over there, and yeah, I cut the stem to get them uprooted like that. There you go. So again, I propagate my own plants. That's the thing. Of course, I also buy from outside, but like for example, I don't have that kind of plant, so I need to buy one. And from there, I need to make it many. It's either cuttings or yung mga tumubo, mga parang like sprout. There you go. These are some of my succulents. And there you go. And ito, oh, cute siya. This is winter blooms ang tawag ko dito because it's really cold in winter, but it keeps on like bearing a lot of flowers. So we call it here gerbera, or some people call them daisy. Yeah. And then there you tilapia cactus. So it's grafted. So I think it's something na hindi siya common, but it's so cute. And this one I have baby cactus as well. There we go. So that's what I call propagation. So yung pinapadami mo yung anak. It's really, really like the stress reliever. Yeah, nakatulong ng bago. Yeah, so I have here Sansevieras or snake plants. Yep, so I want to introduce you to my plants. Some of my plants here. Okay, the devil's ivy or golden lotus ang tawag natin. So, there you go. It started from like, I'm like really doing it as a hobby. And then I tried to post it online. And then nagulat ako because some people buy it from me. And then, yeah, I still keep doing it. I still keep doing it. I still keep posting as well. And then they keep buying it, especially this one. They really like this, especially Australians. They love this. Yeah, this is what I call devil's eye or golden photos. Because apparently this plant is like a air purifier. Matanggal siya ng toxins in the air. So and this is Monstera. Philodendron family. So philodendron orange, philodendron black cardinal. I also got the jade plant. There you go. And these ones, they came from there. Meron lang akong like 6 of them before. Yep. Sobrang lilit. And then dumami siya. So what I tried to do is I propagated them. I remove all the baby plants and put them in a pot. Yeah. So today, I'm going to replant or repot some of my plants again. Yeah. And there you go. Yeah. Samahan niyo. Let's do this. Let's start with this philodendron. And this one is philodendron. So I will repot it here in this pot. Alright, so here, ito siya. So, ito yung mga ugat niya. Already on sometimes, sometimes the plants die. Pag sobrang nag-rumble-rumble yung mga roots. So, buksan nila ako a little bit. So what I do, I put some of my potting mix like this. So it should be organic soil like potting mix. Yeah. So I buy this from one of the like big store here. It's pottings. So soil in there. That's what I do. And also it's better if you don't remove all the soil that's in here, the original soil. Sometimes kasi it's like some people na parang ano sila like maninibago sila. Like that. Alright, so ito na tapos ko nang i-repot ang aking number of the first philodendron Those are free. Very nice white pot. Ceramic pots actually. This one is these are ceramic pots. There you go. Okay. So, finish na ako with my philodendron hoe. Actually, philodendron are a lot of kinds of plants. So, we have tomato, philodendron linear, there's philodendron orange, philodendron, and cardinal. I also have some let's go to my third one, and that's my chicken brush. Apparently, this plant now is a very good air purifier because if you put it inside the house, it cleans the pollutants in there. So different kinds dito. In the Philippines or in Asia, we have the darker green ones, and they call it the different basha tea. But this one is the star bright, so this yellowish, yellow green and yellowish. Okay. Third one is my pot, smaller a little bit. It's just 15 cm compared to this one. This one is 16 by 16. No, I think this one is 16 tall. Yes. So that one is 15 cm tall. Like what I did a while ago, I put some of these also put some of the original soil there. And I make sure that the roots are with the soil when I put it out here as much as possible. But there are times that in the soil, mawawala siya dun sa here. Try my best. Hindi siya easy. That's how I do it. The stem propagation is a lot harder. Because you need to have those cuttings or stem cuttings put it up first. But that's how I do with my devil's ivy. So stem cuttings yan. So I cut it from my mother plant, which is over there. That one there. Yeah, that's my mother plant. That's the photos of the devil's ivy mother plant. I cut some things from there. I put it in that glass, draw like that. Put it up. Pag-lose na siya like 1 inches. Yun. There you go. So, done na ang aking Diffenbasha. So, I have 3 repotted plants for today. Yesterday, I got like 11 of them.